ISACA, an independent non-profit global association that engages in the development, adoption, and use of globally accepted, industry-leading knowledge and practices for information systems. ISACA offers different certifications: CISA, CISM, CGEIT, CRISC, CSXP, and COBIT 2019. ISACA Kampala chapter was inaugurated in 2008 after Mr. Stephen Tuyaikayo's experience while working with Bank of Uganda in 2001.
My name is Stephen Tuyaikayo, first president of ISACA Kampala chapter, which was inaugurated in 2008. I came to be interested in ISACA in 2001. I was working as an internal auditor at Bank of Uganda. Bank of Uganda at that time was rapidly computerizing its systems. So it became imperative for me to understand IT systems, because one of the requirements that is required of us as professional accountants is that we should understand the entity which we audit. So I was in a situation whereby the systems were changing and I did not know much about IT. So I was driven to register and do ISACA exams, which I did in Nairobi in 2002. And what struck me at that time was that while the room in which we did exams was full, there were only 3 Ugandans, and that was me, Sam, and Mr. Rwamurazi of AH Consulting. There were a few Tanzanians, but the rest were Kenyans. And that alone was an awakening position for me to project and understand that unless Ugandans embrace ISACA and its activities, then the jobs in Uganda were at stake, as only Kenyans could be able to audit in an IT environment. So that was the story of introducing ISACA Kampala chapter in Uganda started by realizing that we needed to have more Ugandans do ISACA exams and therefore become better auditors in an IT environment.
Currently, ISACA Kampala has over 350 members and is now classified as a large chapter.
I'm happy to talk to you today about the benefits of ISACA. ISACA, being an international organization, is an organization that creates the pace for professionals in the information security and IT audit professionals. Now, one of the key things that I wanted to just share with you about ISACA is that it creates the right leverage for the information security and IT audit professionals in the world. And with the flagship certifications that it has, such as CISA, CISM, proves that you are a qualified professional who can actually serve some of the global challenges around cyber and technology audits in this world. And having this designation actually helps you to stand out in the crowd with a globally accepted, recognized qualification across the world. One of the key things I want to tell you about our chapter is that we have at least 150 CISA qualified professionals, and we also have at least 30 CISM professionals and about 620 CRISC professionals. And with all that, we want to be with you and grow our chapter.
ISACA Kampala chapter over the years has carried out a number of activities with its aim to sponsor local educational seminars and workshops, conduct regular chapter meetings, and to help further promote and elevate the visibility of the IS audit, control and security profession throughout Kampala and surrounding areas.
My name is Mugabe Emmanuel. I'm the Vice President of the ISACA Kampala chapter, and I lead the programs that this chapter rolls out most often to its members. Over the years that we've served on the board, we have listened to the feedback we get from our members, and we've been introducing what we call professional development workshops, which seek to bridge the knowledge that's attained in the CISA, CISM, with what's happening in the real world in our corporate and government industry here in Uganda. And I'm proud to say we've held successful workshops rotating around business continuity planning, because every organization right now depends on cybersecurity or bits of information systems. And we're able to partner with professionals who are able to deliver value to our members. The second workshop that we did was on IT operations and audit controls, because we noticed today with the growing regulation that our members have from the Central Bank, from NITA Uganda, from Financial Intelligence Authority, they have to demonstrate continuously that they are meeting the requirements given to them to protect their data, and more importantly, ensure trust of the users that use the systems. And we managed to deliver this under the chapter, and we'll be looking forward to build on this and much more. So for me, from these 2 years serving on the board, it has been tremendous to see people get a practical of what they learned in their certifications with what they can practice right away in the industry.
Further to the workshops, ISACA Kampala carries out university outreach programs where they expose university students to what ISACA stands for in information security, audit, control, and governance. This is one way of ISACA being responsive to not only the professional, but also the younger students to ensure that when they leave university, they are ready to get work done professionally. One of ISACA's core values is to have a good representation of women in the workforce.
My name is Angela Tugume, and I'm the IT Governance Director for the ISACA Kampala chapter. I'm also the program lead for the She Leads Tech program that is run at ISACA International, and that every chapter takes on to lead. Now, a while ago, ISACA International carried out a survey, a global survey, and asked women everywhere in the tech force, in the information security tech force, what are those issues that you face in the workforce? Now, look at what came out of the survey. So 48% said that they lacked a mentor, 42% said that they lacked female role models, 39% said that they faced gender bias in the workplace. 36% say that there was unequal growth opportunities as compared to their male counterparts. And a whopping 53% said there was unequal pay for same skills with their male counterparts. And so we say at ISACA Kampala chapter, what are those things that we can do? What are some of the things that we can do to help our women here? And we picked out 2 items because we know that we have the capability and we have the capacity to deal with those 2 items. So the first that we're dealing with is lack of mentors, and the second is lack of female role models in the industry. Last year in November, we held a conference and we launched our first ever mentorship program. We had over 50 ladies that came in for this program. At the end of the program, we had about 20 mentors and 20 mentees, and we called that our first cohort of the mentorship program. I'm glad to report it's been a year now, and we'll be providing you with updates on how far this program has gone, how have the ladies benefited, what have been the challenges that they have faced in the program, and things like that. And then we'll also launch a second cohort of mentors and mentees to take us through to the next year round. I'd like to urge every woman in the information security and audit field to actually come in and join us. Let's join hands, let's work together. Let's promote women in our fields, in our various fields of work. And it does not really matter at what level you are. We're looking for mentors, we're looking for mentees. We'd like to hold those that have just joined the industry and help them grow. And if you've been there for a long time and you know you have so much to offer to the young ones, we also invite you to come and be a mentor. So thank you so much for heeding to our call, and I look forward to seeing you at our next conference at She Leads Tech.
And that is not all. ISACA Kampala has also been involved in charity work.
Given the landscape that we have in Uganda, only 45% of the children that start primary school finish. Most of them drop out because they don't have enough school fees, they don't have sanitary towels, things that ordinary people like you and I can solve. So Love Amplified partnered with ISACA, which is equally interested in the education of Ugandans, and we spread some love to Naguru Katali Primary School. Now Naguru Katali particularly struck our heart because they didn't have scholastic material, the girls didn't have sanitary towels and were dropping out at a fast rate, but most importantly, they didn't have any safe drinking water. They had last had a water tank since 1984. and for them it was a big challenge. So we partnered with ISACA and we delivered a water tank to them, we delivered scholastic material, and we hope and we believe that it will go a long way in making sure that the children there have a quality, safe life.
Here's what some of the people that have benefited from ISACA Kampala chapter's activities had to say.
Hello, my name is Geraldine Mugumya. I had the privilege to attend ISACA Conference 2019. It was a 3-day conference and it was covering different areas in information security such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, how to have an effective cybersecurity awareness. But the most interesting session was about She Leads, having to hear women talk about their different experiences within the IT world or technology world. Made me have the courage to continue going and make sure that I accomplish my targets and improve myself in different areas.
My name is Parmo Emmaline. I'm a certified information systems auditor. I took up a decision of taking up CISA exams, and in order for me to excel in my exams, I made a decision of having the review classes that were offered by the ISACA Kampala chapter. I benefited from the chapter due to the fact that I had an opportunity of excelling in the papers, and I attribute this to the review classes because from there I had an opportunity of interacting with people from different environments, different parts of the country that had interacted with systems. So we used to share case studies, we used to have discussions, and that helped me a lot during my time of my exams, and that helped with my excelling.